This is for you, Cicely and Isla. I don't know if you can see Sid's in that tree. He's just trying to catch birds. Can you see him trying to come down? Thing is, as soon as he got up the tree, all the birds flew onto another tree, and I think he's feeling a little bit cross. Oh, be careful, Sid. Mind the pomegranates. He's still watching us, look. Question is, how did I get up here? How do I get down? Oh dear. It's a long way down there. Meanwhile, little Freckles has decided to sit on the blanket which I'd put there to freshen, but Freckles has pulled it off the railings and decided to make a little bed. Let's go see what Sid's doing. Oh, there he is, still after the birds. See what happens if we knock. No, he's not paying any attention. Oh, he's seen us. What you gonna do now, laughing boy?
Where's this one here then?
See you later, Sid.